Welcome to Residency Suites Cotulla Hotel. We're in the middle of the Eagle Ford Shale. Staying with us means staying near downtown Cotulla and important oil and gas players including Schlumberg, Boots & Coates, Chesapeake Energy, Weatherford, and ConocoPhillips. Also near the Nueces River, Brush County Museum, and Martin X Park. This is your ideal destination for relaxation. We understand just how important it is to feels welcome and comfortable when you are vacationing or spending time away from home and family. Because we value your business, we offer free Wi-Fi access and cable television in every clean, comfortable room. Our intelligent, engaging staff make you want to return again and again. No matter what you choose to during the day, a clean, comfortable room awaits you every night when you stay with us. www.residencysuitescotullatexas.com